been saying that you're going to start your digital product business, and here it is. We're in September and you still have not started your digital product business. Well, today I want to help you. I want to give you encouragement, and I want to let you know exactly what I have done to make my first 10K as a beginner with selling digital products. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into today's video. How to make your first 10K with digital products as a beginner. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Tiara and I am a full-time entrepreneur. So I have been able to run different businesses for the last 8 years, and digital products is one of the best businesses to get started with, and it's one of the businesses that I have restarted over and over again. So now I'm here to help you guys on your journey so that you don't make the same mistakes that I have made over the past 8 years. And I want to make sure that you have everything you need to get started and to be successful with this business. So within the last 5 months almost, I've been able to make 11K from selling digital products. And you guys, I want you to understand, in order for you to start this business, you first have to be willing, okay? So I know a lot of you probably have said over and over again, you're gonna get started. You probably have set dates for yourself. You probably have watched so many videos just like this, but yet you have not got started with your business. You are seeing so many people talk about digital products because digital products can be life-changing. It can give you the freedom that you are looking for. It can help you to make passive income, and it can free you up so much time, you guys. So when it comes to digital products, I will always tell people to start with a PLR digital product. A PLR digital product is a private label right product. This means that you can change up whatever it is that you have purchased and you can make it to be your own. You can change whatever is inside that PLR product. You can add to it, take away from it, put your name on it, literally do anything to it. So a PLR product is literally something that you buy from someone who's giving you the right to change it to be your own. Now, when I first started my digital product business back in 2021, I started with trying to come up with my own ebooks and come up with my own courses. And you guys, I took months. When I say months, coming up with this, and that's because I couldn't find the timing around working my businesses to get these things done. Now back then they wasn't as big with PLR products. You didn't hear people talking about PLR products, and literally people were starting digital products, but you had to create it yourself. So back in 2021, we were taking time, to actually sit to make your own content. Even if it was a course or if it was an ebook, you had to come up with everything to put inside of it. Now, mind you guys, back then we didn't have this AI technology. So think about how much time you had to spend in order for you to get something up and created, right? So you guys now have AI. We have AI on our hands to help us in 2025. So because of this, I always tell people, get a PLR digital product so that you can take it and ChatGPT can help you to add to it or take away from it within your industry. When it comes to a PLR product, you guys, PLR products can literally help you to get up and launched in 24 hours. So when I restarted my business again, this time I started with a PLR product that I did not have to make. All I did was add it to it, and I bundled different PLR products together to make it fit how I wanted it to fit within my industry. So if you're looking to start your digital product business, I highly recommend that you start with a PLR product, because a PLR product is going to give you the flexibility to create something, get your digital product up and launched, in 24 hours, you guys, literally, if you were to follow the blueprint, and once you get this PLR product uploaded onto your store, you can then see what your audience like and what they don't like. So that way, when you do create your own digital product, you know what to add to your digital product. You know how you're going to solve the problems that your target audience already have, and you will know exactly what it is that you need to put into it to help them so that they can consistently buy from you. When it comes to getting a PLR digital product, if you're interested and you're ready to get up and launched so that you can make your first 10K, make sure you go down below in the description as well as in the first comment of this video. I literally give you guys the blueprint, the steps that you need to take to make your first 10K with PLR digital products. I'm giving you everything I've learned about PLR products. I'm helping you and I'm walking you through it step by step. I'm also giving you guys a PLR vault inside of my course that's going to give you different digital products that you can take and you can rebrand and make it your own. So if you're ready to go ahead and get your business started, make sure you check that out below, because this course is going to help you to get launched in 24 hours, literally. So go ahead and grab that down below if you're ready. Now, when it comes to making your first 10K, you guys, you have to make sure that you are being consistent with your business. You want to make sure that you are giving your audience valuable information, and you want to make sure that whatever digital product you create, you're giving them the solution to a problem. So when it comes to a solution to a problem, let's just say I'm someone who wants to get on the fitness industry and I want to lose 20 pounds. In my ebook, I can create something that's going to tell you step by step of how to lose 20 pounds. If I'm someone who wants to just target my buttocks and I want to have a rounder buttocks, you know, you can be someone who has a 30-day booty ebook or whatever. You know, you can show them exactly what it is that they need to do. Like, you can create videos that's showing them inside your course of what workouts you're doing to have a plumper butt, right? You want to make sure that whatever your ebook or your PDF file is, or your course, it needs to be a solution to your target audience. That's what you have to remember when it comes to selling digital products. In order for you to make your 10K, you have to make sure that you are being the problem solver to a specific problem. Now, when it comes to thinking about who it is you want to target, you have to realize whatever you are doing every single day, create a digital product around it. I don't care if you are a mom of 5 and you have to come up with meals every single day on a budget for you and your family. You can literally create content around being a single mom of 5, and you can help someone else who may be a big family and you know they may be on a budget. You can help them by creating an ebook or something that's going to help them to be on a budget. Whatever you do, you guys, make content around it. A lot of people fail with digital products because they try to go out here and do something that they've never done before. That's why I preach and I teach and I tell you guys, start with what you are passionate about, or start with what you are already doing every single day, or what you have experience in. You can have the best digital product to sell, but nobody knows about it because you're not being consistent and you're not posting the content. You can have a $10,000 idea, but if you're not posting about it, people will never know that it exists. So in order for you to make sure that you can keep up and you can make content every single day, you need to make sure that you're doing something that you're already doing, or something that you will never get tired of. If you had to go a month, if you had to go 3 months, 6 months without making sales, you want to make sure that you can still show up online and dominate and give examples or give valuable information, because one day everything that you are planting, the seeds that you are planting, they're going to eventually become a harvest that you reap. But a lot of people start with just a digital product that they don't even have information about, or that they don't even know about, and they think that they're going to make 10K. No, you're not gonna make 10K if you can't get up online and show up every single day to push your content. Not that your digital product isn't any good or that it's not able to make you money. It's the fact that you're not posting and you're not showing up and you're not allowing people to know why they need your digital product. Like, you need to help me to understand, why do I need your digital product? What will your digital product do for me? It's not about you, the person who's selling it. It's about the audience that you are trying to attract. It's about attracting the people who need the solution that you have. So the only way you get the target audience is by you showing up online and telling them, this is why you need this. You know, like, if I'm trying to lose 20 pounds, this is why you need to lose 20 pounds. Teach me, tell me, why do I need to lose 20 pounds? Maybe I don't know it yet, but help me to understand, what would losing 20 pounds do for me? Will it stop me from having low energy? You know, like, help me to understand, what is this going to do for me? Because that's what it's about, you guys. You have to literally market why what you're selling is going to help that person. And that's how you make money. Like, you know, it's not rocket science. I have to be honest with you, and I have to tell you, it's not rocket science. But the thing that stops a lot of people from starting or from even making their 10K is because they're not putting the effort in. You know, you may post one video in a whole 7 days and you're saying, why haven't I received the sale? You only posted one video and you expect for it to blow up. This is not how it works. Every single day you have to make sure that you are posting content. Every single day you need to show up online. Every single day you need to make sure your audience sees you and that they know that you are an expert in whatever it is that you are trying to sell. So if you start your digital product business, what I want you to do, matter of fact, I'm not going to say if, we're speaking it into existence. When you start your digital product business, what you want to do is make sure every single day you show up online and post something. Now, I don't want you guys to think that you have to be everywhere. No, you just need to be in one place. When it comes to you posting online, you have to show up in one place. You don't have to try to be on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. You need to choose one social media platform and you need to post on there every single day. So if you decide that you're going to go on TikTok or on Instagram, you guys, even if you can't upload 3 reels a day, upload one. Do what you can do. If you say, hey, I work 12 hours in a day and then I have to get my kids after, okay, batch record on the days that you are. Just make sure that you know that you can stick to the schedule that you decide to stick with. So if you say that you're off on Sundays, Sunday, create 7 videos. No excuses. You're going to dominate only if you show up, okay? So I want you to make sure that you stick to a schedule. Whatever schedule you say you're going to stick to that. Post every day, y'all. I literally started a 120-day YouTube challenge because I know that if I show up for 120 days, everything else is about to be life-changing. So I'm here to help you, but I'm also here to challenge myself because I know that in 120 days, everything is going to be totally different. So before I can preach consistency to you, I have to make sure that I'm being consistent as well. And YouTube is the platform that I decided to go with because it is evergreen. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you need help with your digital product business, you can literally book a one-on-one call with me and I can help you to understand what niche to go into, who your target audience is, and what problem that you can solve for your audience. So if you need that one-on-one call, let's go ahead and get on the call, y'all. Like, I'm here to help you and to help you to get this out of you, okay? Because I know it's something great within you. So if you're ready to get that done, go ahead and book your call down below. Or if you're just ready to start your digital product business in 24 hours, go ahead and get my mini course that's going to teach you and walk you step by step of getting that done. It's 2025. There is no excuses to why we can't be our own boss if you want to be your own boss. I've been my own boss for the last 8 years, and I can tell you guys, it was the best decision that I made. I'm able to have time freedom. I'm able to enjoy myself with my kids. I'm able to do what I want to do on a daily basis without having to worry about financial burdens. So I want that to be your story, and I want to help you to achieve these things. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you back here on my next video. Bye.